Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you that you could improve your English speaking in just 5 minutes a day? Not 1 hour, not a long English course, not hundreds of grammar rules, just 5 minutes of speaking practice every single day. It sounds simple, right? But here is the surprising truth. Most people never try it. They spend years studying English. They watch videos, read books, memorize vocabulary. But when it's time to speak English, they suddenly feel nervous. Their mind goes blank. Words disappear. Confidence disappears. If that sounds like you, don't worry, because in this episode of the Daily English Podcast, I'm going to show you how just 5 minutes of daily speaking practice can slowly transform your English. Why people can't speak English. Many English learners say the same thing. I understand English, but I can't speak it. And this problem is very common. The reason is simple. Most people practice input, but they don't practice output. They listen to English, they watch English videos, they read English books, but they almost never speak English. And speaking is a skill. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You can read about bicycles for months. You can watch hundreds of videos, but you will never learn until you actually ride the bicycle. Speaking English works exactly the same way. The power of 5 minutes. Now you might be thinking, 5 minutes is too little, but actually 5 minutes is powerful. Why? Because 5 minutes is easy to start. Many people avoid practicing English because they think they need 1 hour every day. But when you reduce the time to 5 minutes, suddenly it becomes possible. Everyone has 5 minutes. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes before sleeping, 5 minutes during a walk. And those small 5 minutes can slowly build a powerful habit. So what exactly should you do during those 5 minutes? Let me share some simple ideas. The first idea is talk about your day. For example, you can say, "Today I woke up at 7 in the morning. I had breakfast and drank tea. Later I started studying." These sentences are simple, but they train your brain to think in English. Describe your surroundings. Another easy exercise is describing things around you. Look around your room and speak. For example, there is a table in front of me. My phone is on the table. There is a window on the wall. This exercise helps you build vocabulary and confidence at the same time. The mirror method. Here is another powerful trick. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, and start speaking English. Introduce yourself. Talk about your hobbies. Talk about your dreams. At first, it may feel strange, but this method is one of the fastest ways to build speaking confidence. Record your voice. Another powerful technique is recording yourself speaking English for 5 minutes. Then listen to the recording. You might notice something interesting. Maybe your pronunciation is not clear. Maybe you pause too often. Maybe you repeat words. But once you notice your mistakes, improvement becomes possible. A simple story. Let me tell you a short story. Imagine a student named Alex. Alex wanted to speak English fluently, but Alex was shy and afraid to speak. So Alex started a simple habit, speaking English for 5 minutes every day. At first, it felt uncomfortable, but after 2 weeks, Alex became more confident. After 2 months, speaking English became easier. And after 6 months, Alex could speak English naturally, all because of 5 minutes of daily practice. The secret is consistency. The secret to improving English is not talent. The secret is consistency. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week because daily practice builds a strong habit, and strong habits create real progress. So if you want to improve your English speaking, start small. Start today. Speak for 5 minutes. Talk about your day. Describe what you see. Record your voice. And most importantly, don't be afraid of mistakes. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Your journey can start today. Just 5 minutes of English every day. Thank you for listening to the Daily English Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who wants to improve their English. And remember, 5 minutes of English today can change your confidence tomorrow. Keep practicing.